Welcome to your journey of shamanic breathwork. I'll guide you through the process, from intention setting to post-breathwork reflection. Shamanic breathwork is a powerful practice that can lead to healing, insight, and spiritual transformation. Creating a safe and sacred space, setting an intention, and proper preparation are crucial for a meaningful experience. Before we begin, take a moment to set your intention for this journey. What do you hope to gain or release? Now, let's prepare. Choose a quiet, comfortable space, dim the lights, and eliminate distractions. To create a sacred space, you can light candles, use incense, or play calming music. Once the space is set, focus on your intention. Visualize your desired outcome or the energy you want to bring into your life. Smudging is optional but recommended. Use sage, cedar, or sweetgrass to cleanse your energy and the space. If you work with spirit guides, power animals, or a higher power, call them in now for their support. Make sure you have all the necessary supplies, such as a comfortable mat, pillows, an eye mask, and a journal for post-breathwork reflection. Now, let's begin the breathwork journey. Lie down comfortably and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths to relax and center yourself. Focus on your breath and allow your body to unwind. As you relax, gradually deepen your breath. Breathe continuously, without pauses, and allow the breath to flow naturally and rhythmically. Surrender to the experience. Observe any sensations, emotions, or images that arise without judgment. Music can enhance the journey. Choose a playlist that resonates with you and set the volume at a comfortable level. When complete, take some time to reflect on your experience. Write down any insights, thoughts, or emotions that arose. Thank you for joining me on this shamanic breathwork journey. Remember, practice is key. Keep breathing and keep growing. Shamanic breathwork can promote healing, spiritual growth, and emotional well-being. I encourage you to incorporate shamanic breathwork into your spiritual practice. It's a powerful tool for transformation and self-discovery.